Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the practicals which we have to cover it under the paper chemistry 1. I think so. Paper 2 practicals already discussed by the Shoaib sir. Paper 3 practicals will taught by the Pawar sir, and paper 1 practicals will be taught by myself. Today we are going to see there are the 9 experiment in this semester. The first experiment is to verify Postwall dilution law for the weak acid conductometrically. There are the three conductometric experiments are there. Second one is to determine the solubility and the solubility product of barium sulfate at room temperature conductometrically. To determine dissociation constant of weak acid conductometrically. These three practicals are based on this particular conductometry. Then the next practical is there to determine the energy of activation EA, you can call it as EA, of the acid catalyzed reaction, acid catalyzed hydrolysis reaction of the methyl acetate. We have to do that particular hydrolysis. Already I explained that mechanism that already you have seen SN1 SN2 mechanism where we have seen the hydrolysis. Then to investigate the reaction between the K2H28 and the Ki with equal initial concentration of the reactant. These two experiments are the chemical kinetics one. The two experiments are based on identification of the inorganic compound containing the two cations by qualitative analysis. This experiment number 6 and experiment number 8, which is based on the identification of the inorganic compounds containing the two cation by the qualitative analysis. Then we have to estimate one of the cation, that is a copper is there and zinc is there. Copper we have to estimate the experiment number 7. Copper we have to estimate conduct iodometrically, and zinc we have to estimate by the complexometrically. Very simple experiments are there. We will see one by one experiment. These 6, 7, 8, 9. These are based on the inorganic part. Okay. You can't differentiate between these three papers. In the practical one, this means in the paper one, these practicals we have to perform. In the paper two, different practicals are there. In the paper three, different practicals are there. You have in this semester conductometry, chemical kinetics, then the inorganic analysis. These three main categories are there that we have to do in the practicals. Today we are going to discuss the practical number 1, and as I already sent it on the WhatsApp, all have got this particular PDF for the paper 1 chemistry practicals index, and there what we can call it as the index, and there practicals number 1, experiment number 1 I already sent to you. Please you have to write that experiment on the both side ruled pages. Purchase the both side ruled pages from the market. On that pages you have to write the experiment. Today I have given the experiment number 1 that you have to complete and that you have to show to me on the next practical, means on the next Saturday. You have to write that readings with the help of the pencil, because when you come to the college, when you will perform the experiment, then you can fare that reading. Now you have to write that readings with the help of the pencil, that you have to remember. Mind it well, you have to write all these readings with the help of pencil. Today we are going to discuss the experiment number 1. The aim of this experiment is nothing but to verify Ostwald dilution law for weak acid conductometrically. Then after that you have to write the theory. You know Ostwald dilution law, it states that at a constant temperature, degree of dissociation of the weak electrolyte is inversely proportional to square root of the concentration. Mathematically, it is represent at Ka is equal to alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. That you already studied this Ostwald dilution law in the 12th. And in, I think so, FY also we have seen, or I think so in the unit 1, it is there in your syllabus in this semester. What happened in this experiment? What we are going to study? Conductance. You know conductance, what is a conductance? Conductance is nothing but the current carrying capacity. What is a current? Current is nothing but a flow of electron. That you have to remember. Very simple it is. Conductance is nothing but the capacity to carry the current. And current is nothing but the flow of the electron. Now, what happens? We are going to measure the conductance of this particular acid. Here we are talking about the weak acid. You know what is a strong acid and what is a weak acid? Weak acid is incompletely dissociate in its solution. The acid which dissociate incompletely in their solution is called as a weak acid, that already we have talked. And what is a strong acid? The acid which completely dissociated in its solution is called as the strong acid. Here we are talking especially about the weak acid. Okay, we are going to measure the conductance